You think your automatic car is built to handle anything. Think again. Most drivers unknowingly make small mistakes every single day that silently destroy their transmission, engine, and even their wallet. And here's the kicker. These mistakes don't show damage instantly, they build up slowly until one day your car gives up on you. In this video, I'll reveal 15 mistakes you should never make in an automatic car. Stick around till the very end because I'll also share a bonus tip that can add years of life to your transmission and save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Ready? Let's dive in. Mistake 1: running on empty. Driving with your fuel tank near empty might look harmless, but it's a silent killer. Here why. Your fuel pump is designed to sit inside the tank and uses fuel as a coolant. When fuel runs low, that cooling effect disappears. Over time, your pump overheats, shortens its life, and replacement costs can hit your pocket hard. And let's not forget the sediment at the bottom of the tank. When you're almost empty, your car stirs up all that dirt and debris. This junk clogs the fuel filter, hurts performance, and in the worst cases, damages your injectors and the entire fuel system. Pro tip: always keep your tank at least a quarter full. It's cheap insurance against a very expensive repair. Mistake 2: coasting in neutral. Many drivers think shifting to neutral while going downhill saves fuel. Sorry, but that's a myth. Here's the truth. Modern cars are smart. When you're slowing down while in gear, they automatically cut fuel flow, meaning you save more fuel than you would idling in neutral. Safety is another issue. In an emergency, you won't have quick power to accelerate out of danger if you're in neutral. Plus, shifting back into drive while rolling is hard on your drivetrain, and you'll also wear your brakes faster since the engine isn't helping you slow down. Remember, staying in gear is not just safer, it's actually more efficient. Mistake 3: driving through deep water. Looks fun, feels harmless, trust me, it's a trap. Automatic transmissions have vents designed to release pressure. Unfortunately, these same vents can let water in. Once water mixes with transmission fluid, it creates a thick, milky mess that destroys the glue holding clutch plates together. Within hours, your transmission could start slipping and draining. The fluid won't fix it. Rule of thumb: unless you're driving a lifted 4x4 with high vents, avoid deep water at all costs. Remember, oil and water don't mix, especially inside your transmission. Mistake 4: keeping the car in drive at stoplights. You're at a red light, foot on the brake, car still in drive, seems normal, right? Not really. Here what happens. Even when stopped, your torque converter keeps working. This builds extra heat in the transmission. On a hot day, transmission temperature can climb by 50 degrees within minutes. That's a recipe for overheating and long-term damage. The fix is simple: shift to neutral when you're waiting. It reduces strain, prevents overheating, and keeps your transmission healthier in the long run. Mistake 5: not warming up your transmission. Cold mornings are tough, not just on you, but on your car too. Transmissions rely on hydraulic fluid. In cold weather, this fluid thickens and flows poorly. Result: sluggish shifting, delayed responses, and extra strain on internal parts. Pro tip: on cold days, let your car idle for at least 30-60 seconds before driving. That small wait lets the fluid circulate smoothly, protecting your transmission from cold start abuse. Mistake 6: resting your hand on the gear selector. It feels natural to rest your hand on the shifter, but it's slowly wearing down your transmission. That little bit of pressure pushes against internal components, causing unnecessary wear. It may seem harmless now, but over time it leads to costly damage. Golden rule: hands on the wheel, not on the shifter. Mistake 7: ignoring dashboard warning lights. Your car talks to you through warning lights. Ignoring them is like ignoring a doctor's advice. The transmission temperature light means your system is overheating. The oil pressure light signals lack of lubrication, which can destroy your engine fast. Even the battery light matters. It warns of charging problems that could leave you stranded. Never treat dashboard lights as decorations. They're early warnings designed to save you from big bills. Mistake 8: turning off the car before it's in park. Many modern cars won't even let you pull the key unless you're in park, but older models, different story. Turning off your car while still in drive or neutral disconnects the torque converter improperly, which can strain the system. Always shift to park first before shutting off. It's a small step that prevents big problems. Mistake 9. Hard acceleration from a stop. Sure, flooring the gas feels thrilling, but here's the reality. It dumps huge stress on engine mounts, suspension parts, and transmission. It guzzles more fuel than steady acceleration. And over time, it shortens the life of your drivetrain. Occasional hard launches, fine. Making it a habit, expensive mistake. Mistake 10. Shifting into park before a full stop. This one's dangerous. Throwing your car into park while moving grinds against a tiny component called the parking pawl. It's designed to lock the car in place, not stop it while rolling. If it snaps, your car might not even stay parked anymore. Rule: always stop completely before shifting into park. Mistake 11. Neglecting transmission fluid changes. Some people believe transmission fluid lasts a lifetime. Wrong. Over time, fluid breaks down, loses its protective ability, and lets friction destroy parts. Burnt or brown fluid is a warning sign you waited too long. Change fluid every 50,000 miles or as recommended by your manufacturer. It's like cheap insurance for your transmission. Mistake 12. Parking without using the handbrake. Relying only on the transmission's parking pawl is a bad habit. On hills, all that weight rests on a small locking pin. Do it repeatedly and eventually it weakens or fails completely. Always pull the handbrake before shifting into park. It shares the load and keeps your car safe. Mistake 13. Idling too long in drive. Long idling stresses your engine and transmission. For diesel engines, it causes unburned fuel to dilute the oil. For petrol engines, it can lead to oil thinning. If you're waiting for more than a couple of minutes, switch the engine off. Restarting actually uses less fuel than long idling. Mistake 14. Shifting from drive to reverse while moving. Some drivers rush the shift from drive to reverse without stopping completely. That's a fast track to transmission failure. Older cars can get damaged instantly. Newer ones might block the shift but don't rely on it. Always stop before changing direction. Your transmission will thank you. Mistake 15. Spinning wheels when stuck. Snow, mud, or sand, your instinct says press the gas harder, but spinning your wheels overheats and damages the transmission. Instead, try gently rocking between drive and reverse. Adding traction with sand, cat litter, or carpet scraps. Using low range if you're in an SUV or truck. Be gentle, it saves your car from major transmission damage. Bonus tip: protect against heat and sunlight. Here's the promised bonus: avoid leaving your car parked in direct sunlight for long periods. Why? Heat not only makes the cabin unbearable, it also breaks down transmission fluid faster, dries out seals, fades paint, yellows headlights, and even cracks tires. Simple fix: park in shade, use sunshades, or cover your car. Small effort, big results. Avoiding these 15 mistakes isn't just about saving your transmission. It's about saving money, extending your car's life, and driving stress-free. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst mistake you've seen drivers make with their automatic cars? Share in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future tips.